How to permanently delete Facebook account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once Facebook is open, tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner. Now tap Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Settings. On the Settings page, look for Account Center and tap on it. Here you will find different account options. To permanently delete your Facebook account, we need to go to the Manage Account. Then, tap Manage again. After that, look for the option called Deactivation or Deletion and tap on it. You will now see two options, Deactivate Account and Delete Account. Deactivation is temporary, while deleting your account is permanent. If you want to permanently remove your Facebook account, select Delete Account. Tap Continue to proceed with the deletion process. On this page, Facebook will ask you why you want to delete your account. You can select any reason that applies to you. If you don't want to select a reason, Facebook also allows you to continue without choosing one. After selecting your reason, tap on Continue to move to the next step. Again, tap on Continue. Facebook may now show you some information about account deletion. Read this information carefully before continuing. You may also see options related to downloading or transferring your Facebook information. If you have important photos, posts, or other data, save or download them before deleting your account. Once you are ready, tap Continue. Finally, Facebook will ask you to confirm the deletion. You may need to enter your Facebook password for security. Enter your password and tap Continue. Facebook will then show you the final confirmation page. Review the information carefully and tap Delete Account. Your account will now be scheduled for permanent deletion. If you change your mind during the cancellation period shown by Facebook, you may be able to log in and cancel the deletion. Otherwise, your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tech content. Thank you for watching.